Hello students, let's go over the agent of boom. Choose the correct equation that goes to the point 0 and 4 and has a slope of 7. Okay, so we need to make the correct equation. We have a slope of 7 and then we go through x, y, the coordinate point 0 and 4. All right, so we need to make one of these and this is the only information we have. So I know for a fact that if 7 is my slope, I'm going to at least have a y equals 7x plus b. I just got to figure out what the new b is. Well, there's a little shortcut here, friends. If you ever want to solve for b, and you have the slope, you have the x, and you have the y, then you can plug them all in and solve for b. So here's what it would look like old school. 4 is going to equal 7 times 0 plus b. And you can solve for b. Again, what did I do here? I put x and y and slope in. b, the y-intercept, is the only thing I need. So if you just keep doing the same things over and over, you can make an equation for it, and that's what I call here the new b equation. So watch this. b, the new b, the y-intercept that you need is going to be the y value, 4, minus the slope, which was 7, times the x value, which was 0. Now watch, this is old school, and this is a shortcut. Watch my first move if I was solving this with algebra. Minus 7 times 0, minus 7 times 0. Okay, so weird. Look at this. B is going to equal 4 minus 7 times 0. Right there, shortcut every time. Now this is kind of a weird one, I'll admit. Okay, 0 kind of throws some tricks in there. This is not the greatest one I could have printed out, but trust me, this shortcut works every single time. There's even a shorter cut that when you have 0 and 4, you'll see here in a second. Okay, here we go. B equals 4 minus 7 times 0. That's just B equals 4. Yeah. So don't assume this will always work. This only works when you have a 0. There's your y-intercept right there, by the way. So, hey, look, I have my slope. I have my y-intercept. It should be 7x plus 4, and there you are. Okay. So, in review, again, I don't want to have to teach a lesson here while we're going over examples, or going over problems on the checkpoints, but sometimes it's nice. When you have the slope and a point, you can plug in the slope and the coordinate point and solve for b, or you can use the new b shortcut. Y minus slope times x will instantly calculate your new b, because if you have the slope and a point and you want to make slope intercept form, you need the intercept. Well, guess what? This gives you the intercept in a matter of seconds. All right. That was the agent of boom.